Greetings, Shai Farasha here from the House of Shea Natural Hair Salon. Today we are installing lock extensions. Woo! Love, 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 love them. These are a perfect match to my client's natural hair. He wanted them to be 4 inches in length. They're a little bit longer than 4 inches. They're a small size, and I installed them using the crochet lock method. For me, it holds tighter, a lot firmer. There's not as much slippage with the crochet lock method. I know some people plait them on then wrap their hair over, but this way for me is excellent. I've given my client a new parting around the edge, so when he goes to the barbers they can shave that section off. I do end up cane rowing it out the way, but yeah, we've pre-parted it, done little twists, and all I need to do now is attach them. Here we go for a little commercial break. Stay tuned. If you don't know yet, please go and check out our site, our online store for our downloadable journals and natural hairstyle trackers, jewelry which include bracelets, necklaces, our natural hair care and skincare line is also on our store. We do sell mugs, bags, male and female t-shirts, jogging sets. We have it all, so please go and have a look. It's www.thehouseofshea.com, and that's where you'll find everything that we do. Welcome back. So here is the finished product. So we finished installing the locks. I also retwisted these roots in the direction that he wanted. He wanted them all forward. Purely his choice. It does really look good. You can see where I cornrowed around the edge, and my client is very impressed. He can't believe how real, natural they feel and look, how sturdy and firm they are. We did do a style. Here it is now. So a quick fish plait going forward. It's just so it can tame it and keep it in place for him. But to book an appointment, again, go to www.thehouseofshea.com. You can also WhatsApp us on 07 956 774721. We really appreciate you watching our videos. If you want to continue to see more, ring that bell and click the like. Nubian Citrus Body Scrub to keep that skin alive. Go check it out. Also, invest in your future in silver. If you go to the description box below, we'll have all the details for you there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.